I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Yay. I pulled the fire alarm. Oh no! It's the principal.
Dark Senior Vice President. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are so suspended for 31 weeks. Go home now while I'm call your guardians. Hello. Senior Vice President. Your dark clone pulled the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 31 weeks. Can you ground him? Okay, goodbye.
Dark Senior Vice President, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 31 weeks. That's it, you are grounded for 21 weeks.
Come to your room right now.